Chuck Pippin here from CPF Lures. I got a quick update for you guys. We have a couple things back in stock. Our 5.5-inch stickler and black with blue flake is back in stock. This has the same sink rate and quiver as other brands, but it's about 5 times more durable. If you're gonna wacky rig it, you can just stick a hook right through the middle of it. No need to really use a ring. We have our black with blue flake pippinator trick worm and our June bug pippinator. Great for dragging around in this cold water we have right now. It's below 60 degrees out there. These two are back in stock, black with blue flake and June bug. Check them out at cpflures.com.